Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue the journey in the must-try AI tools in Canva. In this part 10 I will show you the FontFrame, which is a pretty cool application where you can fill that text with any image. So that's pretty straightforward. I will show you soon, but before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. And now let's get started. So I just open a new page here and go into the apps and just searching for the FontFrame. Font, already have a FontFrame. This application, I just open it. As you can see, already using my latest design. So I just keep the text from the previous slide. Here we can change the font type. Also, we can change the alignment, keep it in the middle. And also we can change the letter spacing and the line spacing by not just keeping like this, how it was before. Here we can change the border color to any color, but normally I think this works best with black color, regardless which image we are using. And here we can change the weight of the border. We can reduce it to almost to 0, actually technically to 0, and to 200, which is a very heavy border. What I don't like it, I just reduce to like around 40. And if I'm scrolling down, here we can change the image. So I just we have to upload one image from our computer, and if you're scrolling down, we can zoom the picture, and with the left mouse we can move the image inside the text like this, and just keep the original zoom to 1 and adding to the image, or adding to the design, sorry. And here we have the text with which is filled with the image what I uploaded. But due to this is already a picture, we can do the standard adjustments, or we can use a effect. We can add also, like here I just added a drop shadow. Yep, let's try to fit on the page. And here is the final outcome. I really like it. Hope so you also like it. If you really like the tutorial, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you like this tutorial or struggling anything in Canva or any other AI stuff. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find tons of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. You can find also AI tutorials and a bunch of text to image prompts for image generations for different kind of applications. If you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.